Hey everyone, what's going on? Today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to pair the Plantronics Explorer 500 Bluetooth headset with a iPhone 10R. I almost forgot the name. So of course this should work the same for iPhone 8 and iPhone 10 as well as iPhone 11, any iPhone using iOS 13. So let's get started. Basically, before we do anything with our phone, we want to get the headset into a pairing state. So with the headset here, you'll see this slider switch here. You'll push that up towards the charging port. So we'll do that. You'll notice the green, which means it's now on. And of course the blue light over here will tell you it's on. But next we want to get it into pairing mode, and to get it into pairing mode, we'll press down right here. This is actually a button, and we'll hold it down for about maybe 4 to 5 seconds until we see the blue-red flashing lights. Let's do that. We'll hold it and wait for the blue-red flashing lights. There you go. Now when you see this, it means it's now in a pairing state and it's ready to pair to your phone. So we'll go to settings, we'll go to where it says Bluetooth, and we'll turn that on. It will start searching for nearby devices and just wait for it to show as PLTE 500. You'll tap that one time. It'll say connected, and once you're fully connected, that means you are ready to go, ready to use. And of course, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. See ya.